YouTube, it's your boy Davo coming to y'all with another YouTube video, man. If you haven't yet, turn on post notifications, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna wait for y'all to hit that subscribe button right now. Come on, y'all, hit that subscribe button and make sure that y'all hit that like button, man. I need at least 50 likes on this video at the minimum, man. Today is our first road trip. How you feeling back there, buddy? Y'all know, and I just got him that little 360 car seat. That joint brand spanking new. He done got that joint dirty already. It's cool, though. Today the first road trip, though, man. So we driving like 2 hours. Let me know how y'all like this video, man. I just be coming up with ideas, so just let me know some new ideas. Let me know anything, man. Just comment what's on your mind, anything. Hopefully, everybody having a great day. Everything going well for y'all, man. All I gotta tell y'all is keep grinding, man. Wait your turn and keep grinding. Cause like, I don't be understanding. Like, people be telling me comments and shit, like how to get motion, like some weird comments. And I just be like, bro, you just gotta stay in your lane and do what makes you happy type shit, bro. I don't be understanding. Y'all just be thinking shit be just handouts, like motherfuckers just gave a motherfucker something. I don't know what y'all be thinking. Y'all just be wanting me to get y'all 200,000 or something. I don't be understanding. If I had it like that, I probably would. I probably wouldn't. Shit, if I was a billionaire, I probably would do more. But it's just like, man, that ain't how life is, bro. Y'all just gotta stay in y'all lane. And shit, do what makes you happy, man. Hopefully that shit bring in money on. Sunny in the back, man. I'm gonna let y'all know when we on the motherfucking road. Cause we ain't even on the road right now. But I'm gonna let y'all know when we on the road, when we on the highway. Come on. If y'all boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video. Alright, y'all, so we on the road right now, man. I might put some little background music in the back, depending on how I'm feeling. We ain't go too crazy, though, because it was just raining, so the road's still moist. You already know how these cars is, man. Just a little E-way cruise all the way down. We got 1 hour and 36 minutes. It was originally like 2 hours almost. Going on this little cabin trip with the fam. Rainstorm, so I ain't gonna be recording for too long, y'all. I gotta hold on to the damn steering wheel. You know I got Suddy in the back. And y'all, bro, like, it's getting to the point where, like, y'all is just watching for me, bro. Like, some motherfuckers be watching for the car, but a lot of y'all just wanna hear some funny shit or whatever. Y'all just wanna tune in to what I'm doing. So I appreciate all of y'all. If y'all wondering what's that noise, that's Sunny in the back watching Miss Rachel on the damn iPad. Who do y'all know that 7 months? Well, that was motherfucking 7 months when he got an iPad. Probably like 5 months. His ass had the damn iPad. Crazy. Crazy, man. And I ain't buy that motherfucker either, y'all. Y'all know I'm still hurting from off this motherfucker, man. I need that back end back. So hit that like button, shorty. I can't buy shit. I can't even buy nothing to eat. Surviving on McDonald's and Wendy's now. Got my wifey in the back too. You just chilling, man. Little family trip. Little getaway. Get away from the BS, man. From the customers. Y'all know, bro. Some of my customers, y'all be thorough, y'all be cool, but some of y'all be giving me a headache, man. I need a little getaway. Damn, yeah, I'm finna drop the camera, y'all. Pick it up when this rain die down. I gotta grab this joint with 2 hands. So we got 48 minutes left, man. This rain just making it even longer. Everybody passing me up. Got the Hondas passing me up. It's cool, though, because I ain't finna over jerk this, man. taking my sweet time. I low-key need some back tires anyway, so I ain't finna do too much. Y'all know how these cars is, though, as I've been said. Look at this motorcycle. Damn, I know he wet as hell. Got him on a little raincoat. Damn, everybody passed me up. What the fuck? The rain low-key clearing up, though. A little bit, but it keep just clearing up, coming back, clearing up, coming back. But y'all know when it clear up, I'm gonna come back and get y'all some little footage. Then, like, the scenery weak as hell. It ain't no damn mountains or nothing, so the scenery weak, so I know y'all probably want some little B-roll, but shit, it ain't nothing to see, bro. It's a little highway POV cruise. But yeah, though, y'all, this cabin is super big, bro. Like, that joint fit like 40-something people, I think that they said. Like, 30 to 40. I forgot how many they said, but like 18 people going. So it should be a little family trip, man. I'm gonna drop like crazy bangers this whole week, bro. We gonna be there for like 3 days, so shit, y'all go get some good ass footage. There's so much to do, so I'm gonna have to get y'all a little something. If y'all wondering about Sonny, he's still in the back, chilling. Don't know what he watching right now, but his ass in the back chilling, man. I know one of my brothers, he damn near already there. I think he like 25 minutes ahead of me. Probably not. His ass probably way ahead of me, because I've been driving slow as hell. Alright, y'all, so I told y'all when the rain go away, man, I was gonna come back for y'all boys. It's a little decent little scenery, little farm animals on the side. You might see some little farm animals, see some little deer. I don't know what you will see. Clouds looking beautiful. See, like, y'all, I could real life live up in one of these like cribs on the side of the damn E-way and just have hella land. Like, man, you can do whatever you want, bro. Type shit. You just not close to the city. Like, that's the only thing. Not being close to other shit, but some people like shit like that. Damn, it wasn't even an M. That was a BMW though, for sure. I could give me some little speed now. I ain't gonna go too crazy though, y'all, cause don't forget I got my baby in the back. But hell yeah, the next clip gonna be low key when we there. Just wanna get y'all some little POV action. I know y'all be loving it. This car coming in hot.
I can laugh at you. I think I got some shit I wanna say to you. Purple AMG when I pull up there like I know it's you. I be mixing potions in my cup, I'm like a wizard, dude. 100K inside my bank account, little nigga, what about you? Pull up talking about you, that nigga, who the fuck is you? I been getting used to seeing green, like what the fuck the blue? Little nigga everywhere I go, little boy, I don't know about you. Lil' Mary had to tell like Jay, you trippin', they can't fuck with you. I'm in my bag.
17 minutes to go. Low-key a long drive. Just because it was raining, bro. It wasn't raining, man. I would have been in 35 minutes.
Mix it with your blood. I threw the deal out. 100K cash on. Got a pen, no condo. Skirt up off the lot out in Chicago. Tryna dodge these clips. I let this free bitch suck me up today. She gon' come back tomorrow. Type of nigga, fucking nigga, bitch. I ain't sorry. Never had no solo AMG. I might come back in a new Jaguar tomorrow. Cartier, that's why I got 2 watches, not no automatic. Niggas bro can't even pick up bitches cause they done ain't got no car.
In 2 miles, take exit 78 beyond to I-39 North and US 51 North toward Rockford.
There's nothing but cornfields out here. Cornfield. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all know when we get off the E-way or when we there.
In 1 mile, turn left.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna give y'all a little reaction, man. My brother said that this joint is fat, man, so we just go see. I see Sonny frustrated, though. We literally pulling up right now. Sonny frustrated, though. He ready to get out that car seat and run around. I hope that should send me to the right damn alley. What the fuck?
Arrived.
Alright, y'all. So this is the back road, man. This look like some Freddy Krueger type, man. Hell nah. Sonny in the back. Nah, he happy he out of there. He happy. Yeah, this shit don't look too fun. I ain't gonna lie to you. Got the pipe on you, son? Make sure. Just in case something pop out. Yeah, let me slow down. See, they done patched the roads. It ain't too many little potholes. What you doing, boy? He wanna come up here with me. Back road. Enter the fuck? What they get us into, son?
Park the AMG and handicapping. How about this bitch like a zombie? If I put my Dior case down on the pedal, we be flying. If I told you what
Nah, I forgot he was in your hand. Oh, there go my brother car right there. Damn, my mama already here? Dang. Dang. When did she pass us? What the fuck? I know I was going slow though, y'all, but still. When did she pass us? Y'all see, I got both the babies out. Got the Jeep ski. And I had to bring this joint for content. Y'all know I had to bring this joint for content. Like, I just had to. It was a must. Be here for 3 days. At least I might have something to do. Make me a little something. Rather if it's $50 off a video, $40, or if it's 10, shit, at least make me a little something. Let me get a sip of this. Damn. A little scenery. All right, come on, Sonny. Come on, baby boy. Sonny. 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 Come on. Alright, y'all. So we just going off this video right here, man. But I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around of the crib real quick. Go in the crib and give y'all a little walk around. Just give y'all a little scenery. This joint is super big. And you know we had to bring the mini bikes out, man. I brought them in my Jeep. I just had my OG drive it. Got the 2 mini bikes, man. These vlogs can be crazy. I'm telling y'all, man. This whole week finna be crazy. So make sure that y'all tune in to every video. This a pool house. The house right here, then the pool right there. Let me see if I can show y'all it real quick. It's drizzling and shit right now. There go the little pool house. Go to the basement too right there. Y'all can probably see them in there playing. I ain't gonna go in through that I ain't gonna go in through that though, but that joint is super big. We gonna go from the top. Woo, woo, woo. Look at him. We finna run. We'll go in through this side. How the crap did you just find? Yeah. Y'all a little walk around. Go to downstairs. Yeah, this joint fat, bro. Most definitely. Alright though, y'all, man. Tune in to the next vlog. And y'all, I'm gonna put my playlist right there. Like, either right there or right there. So make sure that y'all watch my playlist. And we out, y'all. Peace. Make sure that y'all subscribe.
Silence.